For those of you that were asking about how to change a door handle, you've got two screws, one there, one there. Sometimes they're a bit higher, but remove them. This removes your door handle. These will be on the inside of your door, and that's your door handles off. So then you've got one more screw. These are placed on the end. Now this holds the actual mechanism in place. So if we remove that, so twist your key until the lock comes out, and there you go. Now when you're buying one, you need to know a couple of dimensions. So it would be from there to there, and from that side to there. I hope this helps.